what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reika, and if you guys are returning, then you already know that I love you guys so much. Thank you all for tuning in. This video is going to be about how you achieve gel nails at home, the comfort of your house. You don't have to go out into the streets. I mean, outside is kind of open in most places. Here in Florida, we've been open, but yeah, I like to do my own nails most of the time. So to me, this video is so perfect for girls like me who just want to do their nails at home, you know? So this video is featuring Madame Glam's Gel Kit. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve my gel nails at home, then keep on watching. Okay, so in this cute box, first of all, this is a cute box. It looks so sophisticated. Sorry for like the fingerprints. I have oil on my nails. So inside of the box, it comes with, it comes with our Soaf-Off base coat, our Soaf-Off top coat. And I also got 3 shades. I got this really cute purple shade. It is called a Lilac Pursuit. I don't know if you can see that, but that's really cute. It's like a lavenderish lilac. And then we have this gorgeous blue shade. Blue is my favorite color, and sky blue is just bomb to me. And this shade is called Amour Azul. Love the name, love blue, literally what the name is. So these are the like springy shades, pastel shades. And then you guys know that your girl is a white nails type of person. I only get white on my toes. To me, just white nails is so sophisticated. It just pops, and I love white on my nails and on my toes. So I had to get Perfect White, and the name is called Perfect White. I like that they have the colors of the actual nail polish at the top. These just look so expensive, like they look luxurious, like hello. It also comes with a mini UV LED lamp. It came in this box. And mine is in the shade white. It literally looks like my mouse for my computer. And then it comes with a USB cord for you to plug in on the go. So it's so perfect for you to travel with. You just have to pull out the legs like so, and it stands up. And then you just press the button and it turns on and off. It has to be plugged in though. That's something I did not know. So I was trying to do my nails and it wasn't plugged in. I'm like, but why is it not turning on? And then I realized it has to be plugged in while you're trying to use it. So just keep that in mind. As you guys all know, I am a mommy to be. So to me, being able to do my nails at home is just so much easier. I don't have to go to the nail shop and inhale all those chemicals. One thing about these, when I was filming or doing my nails, I realized that the nail polish does not have a smell. The only one that did have a smell was the base coat, and it just smells like a normal nail polish, but it wasn't too strong. But the other nail polishes did not have a smell at all, so I love that. I just love gel nail polish because they last a really long time. I love to be in the kitchen. Cooking, I'm always cleaning. Since I'm always cooking, I'm always washing dishes. So I do a lot with my hands. So normally with regular polish, they always chip, but with gel, they do not. I am always on the hunt for a really good gel polish, and I'm so excited that Madame Glam reached out to me because this might be. It's just really nice to have a gel polish that lasts up to 2 to 3 weeks, and yeah. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve my gel nails, that's enough of me talking, then just keep on watching. Bye. One quick tip, as your final step in polishing your nails, you want to take a paper towel and some alcohol and rub it all over the top of your nails, because the nail is going to have a little bit of residue, so it's going to look like it's not completely dried, but it is completely dried. Just make sure you get a pad with alcohol or wipe them off like they would do in the nail shop, and you'll be ready to go. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.